installation for my Color Crush Rainbow Makeup series. So I'm kind of going outside of the rainbow, but I'm still going for like monochromatic looks. And today's look is going to be a bronze goddess look. So this is going to be perfect for today because it is hot. So it's going to be a nice summertime glowy bronzy look. Of course, as you already know, my base is already done, foundation, brows, concealer. So we're just going to get right into this eye look. But before we do that, make sure that you go down there and click that subscribe button so that you can join the club. It's easy, it's free, and it's fun. And also you can click that bell button to get notifications so you never miss when I post. So thank you. All right, getting into this look. Y'all already know that I'm starting off with my It's My Ray Ray palette. And I'm gonna start off with Spice. Alright y'all, this look is gonna be like super golden and bronze. So I'm going to use this L'Oreal Pod Metallic Shadow Duo in Gilded. And I picked pan, don't judge. I'm gonna use this super metallic gold right here. And then I'm also going to use Amber Light. And I also have two more colors from MAC. This is MAC Gorgeous Gold. And this one is called Antique. So I'm gonna start with those shadows. So I'm gonna actually start with the gold and just put that on this inner portion of my lid. Not on my tear duct, but just this inner, I guess, third of my lid. And I'm not using a shadow base today because I really don't have issues with metallic colors like this popping on my melanated skin. So I'm just gonna pat and then sweep it across. And I'm just going right up to my crease, not past. And so I said place it like on that inner third of the lid, but I do go a little past where I want it so that I can blend. So there aren't any harsh lines. All right, next I'm gonna go in with, Amber Light. And I'm gonna go in that middle third, a little bit on top of that Gilded color. All right, see that's on that middle third, blending that in with that gold. And then I'm gonna go in with Antique on the outer third and blend that in with Amber Light. And I'm taking that a little bit into the crease above Amber Lights to kind of blend. So it's like we have a little sunset on the eyes. All right, now I'm going to take a brown color to kind of deepen the crease a little bit. And this is from Coastal Scents and it's called Deep Roast. So I still want to keep it bronze and metallic-y, but this is just to, you know, add some warmth and depth. Let me use my Real Techniques brush. And just lightly take it right above those colors and into the crease. So not like a heavy smoke. And I feel like that antique color is not giving me the payoff that I want. So I have another color which is like, I've hit Super Pan and it's from Coastal Scents. And it is, oh, it doesn't have the name of it. It has the letters. If I look on the website, I'll put the name in the box below, but it's HPME 15. So it's similar, but it's a little more metallic. All right, I'm gonna go above my crease with Sunset using this fluffy blending brush. So I said this eye look is like a sunset on the eyes. So I feel like this sunset red color is gonna add some nice warmth. Oh yes, now that really legit looks like a sunset. Loving it! Alright, going on to the cheeks, I have this eyeshadow called Aztec Gold from Ulta. And I'm going to be using that as a highlight. And then I'm also going to use Moonlight from itsmyrayeraye. Not Moonlight. I'm going to use Radiant from itsmyrayeraye and go on top of that. Went a little overboard on my forehead. I was going to blend that out. Y'all, somebody come get me. Alright, so I have several cheek colors in here, but I'm going to go with Elusive Dawn. And it's like an orangey, bronzy color, but it does have some pink flecks to pick up some rosiness in the cheeks.
That's good.
Alright, there's a cheek color. Y'all, this is like so my lane. I'm gonna use Brownie Bite from itsmyrayeraye, so she has some contour shades. And I just feel like to be a golden bronze goddess, you need to be contoured, auntie. So I have this contour brush from Real Techniques. I'm just gonna do slight, okay? Slight. Back into my eyes with this detail brush, and I'm using that color from MAC, Aztec Gold, and I'm going to put that in my tear duct. I'm going to use that same detail brush, and I'm going to go into itsmyrayeraye and use Angel to highlight Angel right here to highlight my brow bone. Good job, Harper. Y'all, I'm sad. I wanted to use Stilo from ColourPop and Ellery, but I can't freaking find my lip gloss. And I keep that lip gloss in my purse. You know what? It's probably in my jacket I left at work. It's okay. We're going to improvise. So I have this lip gloss. It's called Pink Pearl. I got it when I went to this makeup artistry class. It was in the kit that they gave. Eyeshadow and put that into lip gloss, so I want it to be a little more golden, bronzy. And I have this Hot Pot from Coastal Scents HP ME25. Again, the name is not on here, but I will put it there. There we go. Gotta make my own Stilo. But y'all, Stilo is like the perfect lip gloss for this look. Glossy and shiny and metallic. Alright, I'm gonna put my lashes on and I'll be back with the final look because y'all know I struggle with lashes. Dry on my lashes. But this is the final look, you all. Like I said, I kind of created my own lip gloss. I had that pinkish metallic-y one, but it wasn't giving me enough of the metallic bronze goddess that I was looking for. So I put some eyeshadow in it and I like the results. So this is a bronze goddess eyeshadow look, looking like a sunset, okay? But that's the look, beauties. Thank you all so much for watching and joining me on this Color Crush Rainbow Makeup Series journey. I'm having so much fun. I hope that you are enjoying watching. Before you go, don't forget to thumbs up this video if you like it, and be sure to subscribe. You can go ahead and hit my picture over here, and you can go ahead and check out these 2 videos, and I will definitely be seeing you in the next one, beauties. Bye.